All right. Just a little bit of mixture of everything here. Yummy. All right. Now then, diced onion. This is just our own recipe that came up with, so.
You probably can't click it too much in it, Daddy.
Huh?
You putting too much. What you gonna put in the next two?
I'm gonna put some more cheese on there.
What's in your mouth?
Another layer of cheese. I'm gonna put just a little parmesan on it too. I like the parmesan.
It's kind of messy.
Huh?
It's a little bit messy.
Yeah, a little bit. Right.
Put the next one. Put the other one on top of it. Another tortilla on top.
Mm-hmm. Right, move my...
Turn up a little bit. Put the, what is that, honey?
It's an iron press. It's about a 2-pound press you use for this or cooking bacon or whatever. Press it for just a minute.
Oh, you can leave it.
I think it's time to flip.
Flip it, and there's a grilled marks on the bottom.
Takes a few minutes for that to all happen. It's on there good.
Make sure that there's a grilled marks on both sides, guys. So it's all up to you how you want yours to get done. Two and three.
5 million.
Okay, tell me what it tastes like after. Well, you gotta show the tortilla, honey,
That's I'm gonna tell
on your mouth and see if it. So guys, what it tastes like after my husband cooked it last night. It really does taste super good and yummy that I actually almost eat it all and just have 2 slices left over, guys. It is super yummy, guys. Last night, yeah, that was yesterday's leftover, and it's so yummy and gooey good. The cheeses, the ham, the flavor is out of the world. Usually I wouldn't take a video of telling you what it tastes like, but I just can't get over with how it tastes like, and I want to show you guys, or I want to tell you how it really does taste good. It really did.